Now let's set up some formulas. I'm in a balance sheet right now, and I haven't worked in Excel in a while, and I forget the formula for doing an average of all of these cells. How can I get Canva to just do it for me? All right, so I'm just going to click into this cell, or any cell really, and I'm going to hit the slash sign, and then I'll scroll down and find magic formula at the very bottom. And I can also access it by clicking up here in actions and scrolling down to the bottom again to find magic formulas. And then I can just type in this box what I want. So I want the average of all of the numbers in this column. Suggest formula. And there we go. We can insert it into D15 and there's the number. So you can try some more complex formulas, or you can just get really used to creating formulas super easy inside of Canva Sheets.